guys, welcome back to the Nerd Cave. Today we did a little special photography project. This I printed off on the 3D printer, the Ender 2. You can go back and look at some of my other videos and see what we've printed. Printed quite a few things. There's the Ender 2. What we did is we printed a flash stand. I wanted to take a picture, a cloning picture, so I needed to place some flashes throughout the room here in the Nerd Cave. These are my flashes. They have a standard shoe size. I'll show you how that hooks up. Okay guys, here's the print. I'll put a link to it in the description. That's the raft. I always print a raft. Just easy to disconnect. It helps the bottom stay a little bit flatter. So all we do is we take our flash and we slide it in there, and then you can spin your little knob on your flash to tighten it down just like you would on your camera, and you can get light wherever you need it. I like to set these in hidden spots to take a photo, get light around the room, bounce them off the ceiling a lot. I've got different versions of these. This is just one. I've got one with sync cables that I've DIY'd, and I'll have to show you a video on that sometime. But there we go. Quick, simple little flash stand. Let's take a look at how this printed, and then I'll go into the photo I took with it. Okay, there it is printing, or how it printed. It goes, I think it took a couple hours, but I had it dialed in pretty tight, settings wise. I think it turned out good. It serves a purpose. These are easy to make, easy, quick things to make. A little bit about the photo I took. I saw a YouTube video where a guy cloned himself with Photoshop, and I want to make a video down the road about Photoshop layers and the basics of it. This is a good one to learn on. So here's a sneak preview of that photo, and you can see in the photo that there's three of me. Basically, it's just three pictures layered up, parts of it erased. It's a pretty simple thing to do, but look for a video coming on that soon. Hey, real quick, here is the design. This was done by WebGhost. Hey, thanks WebGhost for a great flash stand design. I'll put the link in the description. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Helps get the news about the channel out. Appreciate you watching.